Speak it, write it, sing it, come and be right. Reach across the world.
Yung nakapila rito. Ako na rito, ha? Ako.
Sandali lang, teka lang. Sandali lang, oh. Baka naman pwede nating ayusin.
Ayusin daw.
Mga bata.
Maayos ba tayo?
Tanong natin sa kanila kung saan sila nakatira.
Mr. Lion, where do you live?
I live at number 72 Gubat Street, Tansan City.
Mrs. Cow, what is your address?
Huh? What is your address?
Pareho lang ang what is your address at saka where do you live?
Mrs. Cow, what is your address?
My address is number 4, Sakahan Street, Bukid City.
Mr. Monkey, what is your address?
My address is number 84 Banana Tree Street, Tansan City.
Mrs. Pig, what is your address?
My address is number 10, Oinky Street, Bukid City.
Aha! Si Mrs. Cow at si Mrs. Pig parehong nakatira sa Bukid City. Pwede kayo sa isang taxi, ayun oh!
Si Mr. Lion naman at Mr. Monkey ay pareho nakatira sa Tansan City. Doon po kayo sumakay sa unang taxi.
Mauna na kayo.
Taxi!
Mauna na kayo.
Sige.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Mag-aaway! Bye-bye! Bye!
Bye-bye!
Bye! Kumuha na tayo ng taxi.
Ay, sandali. Maaari ko ba kayong maging pen pal?
Sige po!
Sige.
Ayan, sige. Kukunin ko ang mga address nyo, ha? Ayan, pakisulat dito. Gandahan nyo, ha? Para mabasa namin. Kumari.
Sulat ka talaga, ha?
Sige.
Joan, tawag mo na sila ng taxi.
Sige.
Uy!
Siya yun?
Ikaw ba yun? Oo, galing na. Galing na.
Salamat. Ayan na.
Goodbye!
Bye-bye! 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 Sige, bye-bye!
Paalam.
Ayan, hintayin namin ang sulat nyo!
Bye-bye!
Sulat kayo!
Bye-bye!
Kids, let's practice. Pag narinig nyo ang... sagutin nyo ang tanong ko. Ready?
Yes!
Ito na. What is your address? Very good! Ngayon naman, pag narinig ninyo ang... kayo naman ang magtanong kina Mrs. Pig, Mr. Monkey, Mrs. Cow, at Mr. Lion. Handa na? Ready?
Yes!
Here goes!
What is your address?
My address is number 10, Oinky Street, Bukid City.
What is your address?
My address is number 84 Banana Tree Street, Tansan City.
What is your
My address is number 4, Sakahan Street, Bukid City.
What is your address?
My address is number 72 Gubat Street, Tansan City.
That was good!